Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, solid and well-kept classic pickup showing only 103,000 miles, which is relatively low mileage for a truck of its age. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing strong performance and a smooth, comfortable driving experience. The truck features a clean beige exterior complemented by a matching beige interior, giving it a classic and well-coordinated appearance, and it runs on gasoline. Overall, the truck drives very well and reflects the durability these pickups are known for.
With its desirable V8 power, automatic transmission, and low mileage, it offers a great balance of reliability and classic truck appeal.
It would make a great option for someone looking for a dependable older pickup that still has plenty of life left in it. The truck is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner and simply needs a new set of tires to be fully road ready.
Number 2. 1997 Ford F250, price $10,000, classic OBS diesel pickup known for its durability and timeless design. This truck is equipped with the legendary 7.3-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, a drivetrain combination widely respected for its reliability and longevity. Showing approximately 320,000 miles, it remains a strong-running daily driver. The truck features four-wheel drive, a clean title, and a transmission that was rebuilt earlier this year. It is finished in white with a gray interior and runs on diesel fuel. This F250 also benefits from several practical upgrades that enhance both utility and appearance. Additions include a grille guard, roof rails, off-road lighting, bed lights, upgraded reverse lights, a backup camera, and an AUX switch panel for accessory control. Overall, the truck runs strong and continues to serve as a dependable daily driver. Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, presented as a classic old-school pickup in excellent condition. It is powered by a strong V8 engine and offers a very solid foundation for a high-potential project build. The truck runs well, drives smoothly, and the engine delivers a deep, satisfying sound that classic truck enthusiasts appreciate. This example has traveled approximately 227,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, giving the driver full control and an authentic driving experience. It features a white exterior paired with a black interior, creating a clean and timeless appearance, and it runs on gasoline. Overall, this Silverado stands as a well-maintained classic truck with plenty of character, making it an excellent candidate for collectors or anyone looking to start a project with a reliable V8 platform.
Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500.
This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes in a white exterior paired with a burgundy interior. This 4x4 truck is reported to be in solid driving condition. The four-wheel drive system works properly, and the air conditioning blows cold thanks to a completely new AC system, including a new blend door actuator. The heater functions very well, making the truck comfortable in different weather conditions. The engine has been recently tuned and currently has approximately 44,000 miles on the rebuild. The truck also features dual exhaust, newer style rims, and tires that are still in decent condition. Inside, the burgundy interior remains in respectable shape, while the white exterior paint still presents well overall. According to the owner, the truck starts, runs, and drives perfectly.
Number 5.
1988 Ford F150, price $7,500, presented as a 4x4 pickup with a short bed and a clean Georgia title. This classic truck is powered by a reliable 5.0L gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, a combination known for durability and strong performance. Finished in a black exterior with a striking red interior, the truck carries a distinctive custom look that stands out from typical factory models. It is configured as a 4x4 short bed pickup, offering both capability and a more desirable compact bed style for enthusiasts and collectors. The engine and transmission are reported to be in excellent working condition, indicating that the truck runs and drives well. While the vehicle does show some minor cosmetic imperfections, these are mainly aesthetic details and do not affect its overall performance.
Number 6.
2001 Ford F150, price $6,000. The truck has 223,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, finished in a burgundy exterior with a tan interior, and powered by a gasoline 5.4L Triton V8 engine. The truck is reported to be in very good condition, running strong with no issues and no oil leaks or oil consumption. Around $1,500 in new parts have been installed over the past 2 years, including E3 spark plugs and coil packs, a new battery, new brakes with rear calipers, a new water pump, a fully replaced AC system, and new shocks, along with a KN air filter.
It also retains the original jack under the seat, the original owner's manual, and the original window sticker in the glove box. Number 7.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a 350 V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission after being converted from its original V6 automatic setup. Finished in blue with a red interior and running on gasoline, the truck has undergone extensive work, with around 80% of its components replaced. It features fresh paint, a lowered stance with a notched rear frame and lowering springs in the front, and rides on 22-inch wheels with 255/30 tires. Upgrades include an EFI carb setup, new brakes all around, a new AC system, and Mini Cooper seats inside the cabin. The truck currently needs a wheel alignment and a parking brake cable, but overall it represents a well-updated and customized classic pickup.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, classic full-size pickup presented with a striking black and gold paint scheme paired with a tan interior, giving it a distinctive and timeless look. This truck is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission featuring a Hurst shifter, offering a more engaging and traditional driving experience. This particular truck has received many new parts and is described as a reliable vehicle that can be driven daily. The manual transmission setup, combined with the durable V6 engine, makes it a solid choice for someone looking for a practical classic pickup that still delivers dependable performance on the road. The truck carries a clean Georgia title, adding to its appeal for buyers seeking a straightforward ownership transfer.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, equipped with a 4.3L V6 engine and automatic transmission. This base work truck model features a single cab configuration with an 8-foot bed, making it practical for hauling and everyday utility. The truck shows 132,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in green exterior paint with a gray interior. The vehicle runs and drives well, and it has been fitted with a 6-inch rough country lift kit. Although the truck sat for approximately 5 years, it was regularly started, shifted through the gears, and moved around the yard under its own power during that time to keep the drivetrain active. Currently, the truck starts a bit slowly on occasion, but it has been driven daily and has proven reliable so far. The transmission shifts smoothly without hesitation or lag, contributing to a comfortable driving experience.
Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, solid full-size pickup that runs and drives well. It has 287,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. The truck features a gold exterior with a brown interior, giving it a classic late 90s look. According to the owner, it is in good shape for its age with no rust, and the interior remains in good condition, though it could use a cleaning. The driver's side window currently doesn't work, but the seller already has the replacement motor assembly ready to install. It also needs door pins and bushings, parts included, and the AC just needs to be recharged. Aside from these minor items, it is described as a solid truck.